Hi dear students, good afternoon. Today I am going to teach you science book chapter 4 World of Birds. World of Birds. Dear students, we know we love birds but we do not care them. So in this chapter we will learn how many types of birds, different types of birds and their feathers. So dear students, let's come to the topic. Chapter 4 World of Birds. In this chapter we will learn about body of a bird, how does a body fly, beaks of birds, types of birds on the basis of flight and on the basis of feet and claws, nesting habits of birds, caring for the young ones and migration of birds. But in this class we only learn about body of a bird, how does a bird fly, beaks of birds. But next class we will discuss types of birds, nesting habits of birds, caring for the young ones and migration of birds. So dear students, now let's come to the topic. This is the picture of a bird. This is the picture of a bird. This bird name is pigeon. In this picture we can see there are different types of body parts like us. Human beings also different types of body parts. Like this, a bird has also different type of body parts. Like this is eye, this is ear, this is neck, this is back, this is wings, feet, claws, feathers and tail. A bird's body is quite different from other animals. That means a bird is different from other animals. Birds have differently shaped body parts. That means different birds have different body parts. The different body parts such as eyes, neck, beak, wings, feet, tail, feathers and claws help the birds in flight directly or indirectly. That means we know bird is the only ones that can fly. Their different body parts helps them to fly directly or indirectly. Next, the body of a bird is light in weight because it has hollow bones. That means its bones was very hollow, very light, so its body also light. That helps us to fly easily for a long period of time. That means so they can fly long time. Birds are only living things that have feathers. That means birds have the only living thing that have feathers. These feathers cover their entire body. We know a bird's body always covered with feathers. This is the only one living thing which body is covered with feathers. Next, these feathers cover their entire body. 3 different kinds of feathers. How many types of feathers? 3 types of feathers. One is down feathers, body feathers, flight feathers. Where do we find down feathers? These are small and soft feathers found closest to the skin. They keep a bird warm. These are the small and soft feathers found in the closest to the skin. Closest to the skin. They keep a bird warm. This feather helps to them keep it warm. Next, body feathers. These cover the whole body of a bird and give it shape. That means this feather helps the bird to give it shape. It is covered with whole body of a bird. Next, flight feathers. These are found on the tail and wings of a bird. That means flight feathers, we know flight, what comes from flight. So flight feathers helps bird when flying. These feathers are found on the tail and wings of a bird. Next, how does a bird fly? We know bird is the only living things that can fly. How does? The body of a bird is specially designed to fly. क्या द बॉडी ऑफ ए बर्ड, जो बर्ड का बॉडी होता है वो डिजाइन ऐसे होता है कि वो फ्लाई कर सकते हैं. इट इज शेप्ड लाइक ए बोट. इट इज शेप्ड लाइक ए बोट दैट इज narrow at the ends and broad in the middle. That means see these pictures of the bird. It is narrow at the end. This is narrow, but middle portion is broad. This middle portion is broad. This helps a bird to fly. And next, a boat-shaped body is also called streamlined body. That means streamlined body means a boat-shaped body. A streamlined body helps the bird cut through the air. This type of body helps the bird to cut through the air and helps them to fly. The wings of the bird are used to fly, and another thing is the wings. First, body of the shape of the body helps to fly bird, and next wings of the bird. It has strong muscles to move the wings. It has strong muscles to move the wings. That the tail helps it to change the direction while flying. And there are 4 basic things that helps a body to fly. One is boat-shaped body. Second is wings of birds. Third one is strong muscles, and fourth one is its tail. These 4 things basically helps birds to fly. Next, there are 2 main movements of a bird wings that help them to take off and land. मतलब क्या उसमें 2 मूवमेंट होता है जो ऊपर जाने में और नीचे भूमि में नीचे जाने के लिए हेल्प करता है. फर्स्ट वन इज ऑफ स्ट्रोक एंड सेकंड वन इज डाउन स्ट्रोक. ऑफ स्ट्रोक मीन्स विंग्स मूव्स अपवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड. दैट मीन्स ऊपर और नीचे जाने में कौन सा ना ऑफ स्ट्रोक विंग्स हेल्प करता है. एंड डाउन स्ट्रोक मीन्स विंग्स मूव डाउनवर्ड एंड फॉरवर्ड. मतलब आगे पीछे जाने के लिए उसका डाउन स्ट्रोक हेल्प करता है. नेक्स्ट, beaks of birds. We know different types of birds have different types of beaks. You know very well there is different types of like pigeon, sparrow, vulture, woodpecker, parrot, hummingbird, spoonbills, and duck. According to their beaks, there are different types of shaped beaks like short, hard, and sharp beaks, strong, sharp, and hooked beaks, curved beaks, strong and chisel-shaped beaks, long and pointed beaks, spoon-shaped beaks, and broad and flat beaks. First we discuss short, hard, and sharp beaks. Because this is the picture of pigeon and this is the picture of sparrow. You looks this type of beaks. This type of beak helps to bird crack and toss its food. That means this type of beaks helps them to crack and cross its food like seed, nuts, etc. This type of bird is such example sparrow, pigeon, robin, etc. And next, strong, sharp, and hooked beaks. That means flat-sitting birds. This type of beaks occurs in flat-sitting birds. Flat-sitting birds have strong, sharp, and hooked beaks because it helps them to tear flesh. Birds like eagle, vulture, quack, etc. Next, curved beaks. This is the shape of curved beak. This type of beaks helps in cracking nuts and hard fruits. You can see this type of beak in parrots. It also helps them in climb trees. That means curved beaks helps them to climb in trees and cracking nuts and hard fruits. Next, strong and chisel-shaped beaks. That means strong, but this chisel-shaped. This type of beaks occurs in like birds, woodpecker, hoop. They have the strong and chisel-shaped beaks that helps them to hole into the bark of the trees and pick up out insect to eat. Long and pointed beaks. This is the picture of long and pointed beaks. Birds like the hummingbird and sunbirds have long and pointed beaks. This beak helps them to suck nectar from flowers. That means these beaks helps them to suck nectar from flowers. We know hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. Hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. This type of beaks occurs in hummingbird and sunbird. Next, spoon-based shaped. Oh, this is the picture of spoon. You notice her beaks also looks like spoon. Birds like spoonbills. In which part? Spoonbills have a spoon-shaped beak. It helps the bird to gather tadpoles and small water animals from the pond water. That means this type of beaks helps them to gather tadpoles and small water animals from the pond or other water bodies. And this is the broad and flat beaks. This is the broad and flat beaks. Like some aquatic birds like dogs and cranes have broad and flat beaks with teeny holes on the side. The teeny holes. This is the teeny holes. You notice this is the teeny holes. The dog takes it in muddy water with insect environment. That means it helps them to take insects and worms from muddy water. This muddy water flows out through these holes. When they take muddy water, they comes out with the help of these holes. This is we know types of birds according to their beaks and body parts of a bird. And next, this is the hard copy in which I write some questions according to this chapter. So dear students, with the help of this hard copy, you try to understand at your home. If you have any doubt, you may call now. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Have a nice day.